Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to arrange our factory and machines. This organization will facilitate the smooth movement of products and enhance our efficiency. We'll concentrate on setting up a factory with a capacity of 240 kilograms per day within an area ranging from 500 to 1000 square feet. First, we begin with the raw material entry and storage. Select a location near the entrance to receive raw spices. Right next to the entrance, establish a storage area for these raw materials. It should be conveniently accessible for unloading and transporting to the processing area. Following this, allocate an area for a spices cleaning machine. After that, place a spice turmeric, chili drying machine, and dhania roasting machine. Immediately after the roasting machine area, install a machine for grinding dhania, chili and rasam, sambar powder, which processes masala powder. Then install the turmeric grinding machine. It only grinds turmeric. Subsequently, the packaging area comes next, where spice powder is automatically packaged from 50 grams to 1 kilogram. Following this step, packages ranging from 50 grams to 200 grams are consolidated into 1 kilogram covers with the assistance of supporting labor. This area could also act as a final quality checkpoint before packing. Store the finished product stock near the exit. Allocate space for the packaged powder close to the exit, away from raw materials to prevent cross-contamination. Subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel.